We all have one thing that we are going to see in all phases of our life. I understand that you are in that current phase now and it's really draining. Same you that is training you, someone else is also in that same phase, going through more than what you might be going through. And you might not know until the person begins to open up to you. So you have to understand that life is in phases, and father, you are just growing gives you that opportunity to conquer those challenges in those phases and move on to the next. Might be feeling unfulfilled, seeing some persons doing really well than you do, and you are really trying your best, but you're not getting the results that you truly require. Whatever it is you might be going through now, I feel that you have to first off accept that it is the phase, it is reality, you are going through it. Now think of ways that you can conquer this thing. What are you supposed to do, and move on with it. See, the next time you will look back to this current phase you are, these are one of the stories you begin to tell people that might be also experiencing what you have experienced.
I'm just sending this word of encouragement to you, because I know it's fine to go through difficult times in life. Life at times can be overwhelming, but I just let you know that you are stronger than that. You are stronger than it. No matter the difficulties you might be going through right now, giving up on life is not even an option at all. We have come to this life to enjoy. So all this is just like a story. Like a story that you are going to tell later on in the future. Calm down, work towards whatever you want to achieve, and believe that's going to come true. You're not alone.
I know things feel heavy right now. I mean, life, career, and everything. Trust me, it is okay to feel this way. And what you're going through doesn't mean you have failed. It means you are human. Please remember that this moment doesn't define you. And the fact that you've overcome so much, and you're going to get over this also. And you also remember that the life to success isn't a straight one. There are many ups and downs, setbacks, challenges, doubt, and this feeling too is part of the road to success. And trust me, the fact that you're having this feeling means you are on the right track to success. I want you to see yourself with the potentials you have, with the purpose and the future that you want, and that is worth fighting for. Keep smiling, just try to be happy. I care about you.
Trust you're good, which I know you're not, because you're feeling a bit down. That life is throwing a whole lot at you right now. But this is me trying to tell you that you got this, and God got you more. And you're going to get past through this phase, because it's just for a short period of time. I encourage you to talk to God more, tell Him how you feel, and it's going to help you get past through this. You don't have to kabash before God hears us. You can talk to Him like a friend.
I can totally relate to how you're feeling. One thing I kept telling myself was that I would not allow my emotions, I won't allow them break me, because I know that I have strength in my spirit. So sometimes some of the things we go through, they're not because we are bad people, or because we're not working hard enough, or if you're a Christian, it's not because you're not a good Christian, or you're not praying. Many times it's not even because of you. It has nothing to do with you. It could be for somebody else that has not even been born. I will need the strength that you showed. So I hope this helps you. And I prayed for you too, because honestly I relate. I do.